The Ecwid website is a professional platform that fully supports the Arabic language. Through this website, you'll be able to establish a professional online store capable of competing with other e-commerce sites that require significant financial investment to set up. The website provides you with a free domain, complete access to the site's dashboard, and the ability to add 10 products under the free plan. Additionally, you have the ability to add main categories and subcategories for products, and even link your website to international stores. Additionally, you can link your website to Google Analytics to diligently track your site's statistics and effortlessly adjust the template's appearance. You can upload and sell digital files or services on the site. Plus, the store is completely free of annoying ads. The website provides you with numerous payment methods that will elevate your professional online store. For instance, you have the ability to add multiple options such as cash on delivery, bank checks, bank transfers, or even Visa payments. In this video, we're going to explore how to set up an online store using the Ecwid platform, so please stay tuned. But before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Go to the Ecwid platform, and from the bottom, you can change the language to click on Get Started for free and you will be taken to sign in. You can register by either creating a new account or logging in via Facebook or Google. Once you've completed registration using your preferred method, you will be taken directly to your personal dashboard. Change your store's name and select the country where you currently live. Choose the currency you'll use and then click Next. First, enter your city, state or region and the postal code for your specific area. In this step, it will inquire about your store's specialization and whether you have prior experience in creating stores. For example, I'm good at getting started. Then, it will ask you about the products you'll be selling so you can choose them from the list. It will ask you if you are setting up this store for another person. Select No, then click Next to proceed to the fourth step. It will ask if you currently own a website. Choose No, and then simply enter the desired address for your store. This free domain that Ecwid provided to you can be used at no cost whatsoever. Afterward, click on Finish and Proceed. This is the control panel or the dashboard for your store. And this is the online store that you can effortlessly modify by incorporating buttons, altering text, and including your contact information and your social media links. Go into Settings to change the site's configuration and you'll find this menu. From the header section, you can change your logo's image, adjust notifications, and update your contact methods. After changing the settings to your liking, click on Save and Publish. From the cover section, you can change the cover image or remove it, edit the text written on it, customize button titles, and add or delete buttons. From the Products section, you have the option to change your site's name and include products. The fourth option is About Us and Contact Us, allowing you to modify them and incorporate new buttons, sections, or images. In the footer, you'll find the copyright information for the site. To add a new section, just click on Add Block, and you can choose a ready-made block to use. By clicking on the eye icon, you can preview your website after the adjustments you have made. Returning to the dashboard and clicking on the menu, the very first option presented is My Sales. From there, you'll be able to view all your orders, products, and every piece of information related to your store. In the Catalog section, you can first review the existing default products. Then, you'll need to remove those to make space for your own unique offerings. Once you've deleted the preset items, you can click Add Product, upload an image for your item, and then set its price. And choose whether the product is currently available in the store or not, based on its stock status. You can name the product, input the storage code and wait, and then enter a description. And from the second tab, you can add the product's unique brand label. Within the Options tab, you can input product specifics such as sizes and various colors. The Files section allows you to upload any relevant files. This is for selling digital products such as images, books, or any other digital files that can be stored as files. Under Tax, you can also add any taxes if applicable. From View, you will be able to see how the product appears when customers search for it. Using related products, you can add items to display alongside or as accessories to your main product. With Buy Now button, you can easily incorporate a button. As well as Facebook to create paid advertisements from. You have the ability to view all the sales that have been made in your store. From the Website section, you can modify how your site is used and how products are displayed based on the interests of visitors in a specific area. From Overview, you can preview how your website looks on search engines, and from there, you are able to modify its appearance and domain. From Design, you can change your website design and manage Facebook and Instagram. You can connect your store to your Facebook and Instagram accounts. From the Mobile section, you can create an app for your store for Android or iOS, but this is only available on the paid plan. From Design, you can change the design of the images on your site, how they are displayed, and the product names. You can also control what information appears with your products and what doesn't. From Payment, select your store's specific payment methods. Then, under Shipping, you can add various shipping methods, their associated costs, and all other pertinent shipping details. And from Settings, you can have complete control over the entire website and everything we just covered. This covers everything you need to know to set up your online store on the platform right from your mobile device, quickly and without any cost. Share your questions with us in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.